Pops here. I want to explain a little thing to you about a flywheel drive Volkswagen engine. When you have to enlarge a flywheel shim that normally goes between the flywheel and the end of the crank. So different thicknesses. But I put one on the other side, and what I do, this is the main bearing that goes there. See the little oil flutes? I put the same thing on the other side, and then I machine 9/1000ths off of this for space for this flywheel shim on this side, so on this surface. But it's got a radius, and just getting it down to a slide over isn't enough because it still will hit that radius. So you have to bring it down until the ID is 2.245 inches by measuring off of this one. And then it's wider than the radius of so it sets flat on that bearing surface there. And also, you get a stroker crank, it's got 8 dowel pins instead of 4 on the stock one. So you have to get a little jig they sell to do that, to drill your flywheel out for the extra 4 dowel pins. And one of them is offset, so it's indexed, so it always goes on the same way. And also it's got a thing here you can use actually to drill your crank. If you want to take a stock crank and drill for 8 dowel pins, you can also do that with the same jig. But that's the main thing I wanted to tell you. And also, this is an 82 stroker crank from CB Performance, and this is one of their stroker rods. And the one thing I want to mention about these, well, first of all, they're cleared here to clear the case, have more clearance, and but they're a little different than the stock crank. It doesn't have the boss on here that show you where it's supposed to be up. That's supposed to be up all the time. And so what you have to go by is the little tangs where your bearings are. That goes on the bottom. So I went ahead and put a mark on all of them, so I'm used to putting the mark up, so that way I won't get confused. So that's about all. And maybe the next time you see this, I'll have it all together. Thank you very much.